Spika mbungeni ya kati Moses Wetangula nimavuthiisya utwio wa korti wa Yiulu na kutangaasa Kenya Kwanza tayo ngwatanio Yina Ayumbe aingi mbungeni kwianana livoti ya muandikithya wa syama ona wiovo Ayumbe Azimio nimavuthiisya utwio vala maweta nimeosa matambya ma miao na kuatiania na utwio na ooyu meteelemya mwikia kithimini Spika Wetangula wivo mupango wa kumutanga kuma kivilani. Benjamin.
Spika mbungeni nene Moses Wetangula nwakinangia nthi utwio wa korti wa Yiulu ulonanengete Azimio utongoi wa ala ingi mbungeni palwa ikithya ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza Nayo Yina Ayumbe ala ingi yana 165 Nayo Azimio Yina Ayumbe yana 154 miao kwianana na livoti ya muandikithya wa syama.
A simple calculation of the cited numbers with reference to the communication and coalition agreements received from the register of political parties indicates the cumulative number of the members of the constituent parties of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance as follows. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party consists of 154 members. The Kenya Kwanza Alliance consists of 165 members. Arising from the foregoing, the Kenya Kwanza Coalition is the majority party, and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party is the minority party in the House.
Wetangula nolumililia syama itano ilambe wa nyumbani wa mwaka wa 2022 sya nthini wa Azimio na atangaasa kuthamia Kenya Kwanza itino wa nyumbani kuvikia ooyu ya isa kutheiwa nzia ya kwikonya na ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza palotalo wa Ayumbe 18 syamani utanatumika masavuni motalo umweo.
I have not received any further communication from the Kenya Kwanza Coalition replacing the member for Kikuyu, the member for Kilifi, the member for South Mugirango, and the member for Marsabit County as their preferred leadership in the House. Similarly, I have not received any communication from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party replacing the member for Suna East, the member for Kadiani, the member for Suba North, and the member for Embakasi West as their preferred leadership in the House. Consequently, the leadership of the House remains unchanged.
Tumerudi sasa square one.
Ayumbe Azimio ni maliana na utwio na nimevita kuosa nzia yo nthi ya miao no kana kuosa mwana wo mbungeni kwianana utwio wa korti wa Yiulu. Mutongo wa chama cha Daktari Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aivuthiisya utwio wa Spika Moses Wetangula niwaweta eikwatasya Spika ooyu ni kwithwa utongoi wa President William Ruto uyisi kuatia miao.
We very respectfully disagree. I will not go to the substance, but we very respectfully disagree with your communication. And as Azimio, we are going to take further action.
That is how the law works. It is not necessarily popular. It's not necessarily likable. It is just the law.
This is another ruling that will be taken to court for quashing, because it has all the contradictions of the Constitution. It is even worse than the one that was quashed. This one. Parliament is not court of appeal. Parliament is parliament. We can only debate. You cannot do an appellate business in parliament. It can only be done by a 5-bench consisting 5 judges, a bench of 5 judges in the court of appeal. Parliament has turned itself now into a court of appeal where they can overthrow judgments of judges from the High Court. That has never happened anywhere in the Republic.
Utwio yuwekea vina unenanya wa kukunikila uthukumu wa Spika Wetangula pala no chumani kivitu korti wa Yiulu unathingile uthukumu wake ni wathukumu na miao na ndeso uthukumata Spika na mutongoi wa chama cha Ford Kenya Kwanza vali umwe na Azimio ni musyaisya nesa na itho ekalikum.
In a headline of a few days ago, we saw the headline saying that the Speaker is biased. Now today we've actually confirmed. Let us have sanity in the House. Let us respect the Constitution. And more importantly, let us respect court orders.
I would like to request the Speaker of the Nation simply to respect the court ruling. There is no going around the bush. If the court declared Azimio is the majority, let it be. We cannot live without respect in the court, and will be setting a very dangerous precedent.
Vilingwa mauvo kumavamia koni ya mbunge Museni Lovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.